this brand new? Is this brand new?
Yeah.
All right, who was, you rolling with a club or something, or what are those other guys? Okay. You know the guy that's in the black Lambo? Right now, you are going to be placed under arrest for reckless driving, so I do need you to put your hands behind your back.
We've all seen those Instagram gurus who promise you a wealthy life under one condition. Just buy their course, apply what you've learned, and you'll be wealthy. Anyway, in this case, a wealth entrepreneur who goes by the name of Him500 was spotted going almost 120 miles per hour on the highway, driving a brand new $200,000 McLaren. Let's see what happens next.
Signal 11, Charlie Papa Kilo 7061, CPK 7061. I believe it's going to be a McLaren.
McLaren. Clear 40.
2250. We're going to final at 12A. I've got a black Lamborghini stopping with me as well. Where's the fire?
I got my tire went out. Now it's just, I think it's hot.
So you think doing 112 miles an hour is going to help your tire situation?
When the officer arrived, he claimed that his left tire was flat, so he decided to speed up to 120 miles per hour, which it clearly wasn't a good idea.
Especially if you think your tire's going to pop. Because if it pops at 112, not only are you probably dead, but you're going to hit somebody else and kill them too. All right, can you come back here and talk right quick? Because I can't stay down here. Is this brand new? Is this brand new?
Yeah.
All right, who was, you rolling with a club or something, or what are those other guys? The black?
Other people that I see on the freeway.
You just see them?
Yeah.
So you're telling me
No, the guy,
McLaren,
the black one was with me.
he's your buddy?
Yes, yeah.
Where's his tag at?
I don't know. He got his new out of Philadelphia.
Okay,
So,
when did he get his, you know?
About 2 weeks ago.
Okay. So, which tire is it that you think's going down?
Dashboard, it says this one, but this one is just started making noise.
Well, don't get too close. People might run into you.
This one is flat. I can't.
Did you hit something?
I don't know. It said it and it gave me a warning. But this one did it before and it gave me a slow leak for about 30 miles on the run flat.
Okay. You know the guy that's in the black Lambo? Or you just know him from around?
Just from riding around, seeing him on the freeway.
Do you know his name?
Nah.
Or his phone number?
No, I know his nickname is just Neo.
Okay.
I don't know his name though.
All right. Well, right now you are going to be placed under arrest for reckless driving, so I do need you to put your hands behind your back. I'm going to give you 2 cuffs because you're a pretty big dude. One male 82, start next list. It's going to have to be a flatbed. I want to scratch up your nice watch here. Is there a way to let this thing out, or does it unhook? It just slides?
No, it don't slide. You can't get the cover above it?
Well, the cuff's gonna bounce into it and scratch it up.
It'll be okay.
All right. These other things, it's not gonna knock the little diamonds out of it?
No, it should.
All right.
If you're a punk, man.
Say that again?
I'm saying if you're a punk, you can take it off.
This one?
No, the watch.
The watch?
So your position is you're uncomfortable.
Yeah, I figured it would be.
No, you gotta pump it up.
Here, if you don't, oh, it's got a second little clip. All right. The other one's good though, that's not bothering you? Say that again?
Boy, man, you're hard to make, man.
He's getting ready to go to a race.
Nah, the key is in my pocket. That hoodie pocket.
2250.
Go for 50.
60 is about 9 minutes long.
You have 60 en route, we can go tonight. All right, walk back to this car.
What happens with a speed with a reckless driving?
Well, you're gonna have to go to jail and get fingerprinted, all that. You'll get a court date. So you're gonna get the speeding ticket, you're gonna get the reckless driving ticket, and the street racing ticket.
Street racing.
When all three of y'all are moving together, I can only get one of you. But all three of you were racing. You, the black one, and the orange one.
Yeah, we want radio clear racing.
What kind of charge is that?
It's just another traffic charge.
Huh?
It's just a traffic
Like
charge.
misdemeanor?
Yeah. Have a seat. Angles. Huh?
You say he's going somewhere?
Nope. Didn't say he was going anywhere, but I would imagine he was running with another orange one and a black one. Betting money in his pocket. I'd imagine they're going to race somewhere. Either I'm miscounted or that it's only 4,900. Hey, did you take a C note out of one of these stacks? Okay, so one of them should be 4,900? Okay.
Yo, boss. Yo. Hey, yo. Hey, is it possible I can stand by the car until we get ready to take off? I'm just super uncomfortable in here. I'm cramping up, my shoulders.
What's that?
I'm cramping up.
Just as soon as he gets done counting that, y'all are gone.
Okay. That's 5,000 and 4,900. I'm going to use that.
We got to count it though, so.
Drive. Romeo, November Zulu 4495, RNZ 4495.
So when you're in front of
On a flat tire.
On a flat tire.
Yeah.
112 miles an hour.
Yeah. Let me do this inventory right. Do what? I'm gonna get an inventory right quick. Ain't crack, it ain't meth, it ain't Molly.
I don't know what the fuck that shit is.
It looks like a little. This is what it looks like. It looks like one of those little salt incense things. Like they hang them from the rearview mirror. Well, did it finally quit?
I hit the.
It's brand new, but like half the crap in it's broken. The center console's broken. He took a body piece off.
Because he's too damn big for this car, man. It's a big boy.
55, 60, 80, 81. 82, 83, 84, 85. I don't know if you ever saw me before I blazed him because he was, I was under the bridge and then he was in and out of all kinds of traffic trying to race the black one that stopped behind me when I told him to come around the front and he just took off.
Man, that sucks. You could have both of them.
Yeah.
Racing.
The one in the black knew what he was doing because he had a paper tag on it. All right, somehow we're gonna have to get that seatbelt on you. So.
Yeah, good man.
2101 to the units after the 69 with a child. Just remember, this is a third-party anonymous caller with no victim, so don't roll in there super hard.
You want to run that right quick?
Him 500 was taken into custody for reckless driving. This definitely wasn't his first, nor will it be his last run-in with the law. He was arrested just a couple of years later after missing a court date. We hope he learns his lesson, otherwise he'll be back.